Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to copy AliExpress product link. Sometimes when you're browsing on AliExpress and find a product you want to share with someone, the first thing you'll probably wonder is how to grab the exact product link. What I usually do is let's start right from the AliExpress homepage and search for the item I'm interested in. Once the results appear, let me click on a product so it opens the full product page where you can see the images, pricing, and detailed description. I like to wait a second for everything to load because sometimes the link updates once the full page is displayed. Now after that, I will simply move to the address bar at the top of my browser, highlight the entire URL, and copy it. That link is a direct product page, so you can send it anywhere, whether that's messaging apps, email, or social media. Another quick trick is using the built-in share icon on the product page. When you tap it, AliExpress shows several sharing options and also lets you copy the link instantly if you prefer that shortcut. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.